Now, Clickfunnels has made a lot of changes to their affiliate program in the last couple of years. In this quick video, I'm going to show you all the changes and everything you need to know about Clickfunnels affiliate program. Their commission structures, how much you can get paid, what you can promote, and how to promote it. Alright, so what changes has Clickfunnels made to their affiliate program recently? Before, anybody could be an affiliate, anybody could promote their products, and anybody would be paid 40% of everything. Now, there's a little bit of a difference. As you can see here, as a new affiliate, you'll start receiving 40% of all front-end offers and 100% on the One Funnel Away challenge. What does this mean? You'll get 40% of the first offer, but not of all the funnel and all the products in the funnel that they'll sell after it. You'll get also 20% of Clickfunnels subscriptions. Now, most people promoting Clickfunnels and Clickfunnels products, their primary objective is to get Clickfunnels subscriptions to get those recurring commissions. Once you start, you'll only get paid 20% of those subscriptions, but you can get up to 40% of those. Once you've earned $1,000 in commissions in a month, you'll be upgraded to 30%. And then from the moment you have 40 active Clickfunnels users, you'll get bumped to 40%. Now let's see what Clickfunnels says about this. This is what you'll be paid 40% over. .com Secrets book, Expert Secret book, Traffic Secrets book. In addition, you'll also receive the full commission payment on One Funnel Away challenge and the 30 days, which is $100. Once you reach the threshold of the $1,000 in commissions, you'll have to apply to get the 30% commissions. And once you reach 40 active Clickfunnels members, you'll have to apply to be approved for the 40% level. As you know already, once you refer 100 Clickfunnels users and they are active subscriptions, they will pay you for your dream car. The affiliate cookie is one of the most important things to know if you're going to promote Clickfunnels or any of their products. So Clickfunnels will track your referrals through a tracking cookie, which expires after 30 days. If somebody subscribes to one of your offers, or if they subscribe to a Clickfunnels, if they give them their email address, if they buy a book, for example, they will be your referrals forever. They will be cookied to your account. So whatever they buy in the future, it will pay you the commissions. That's where the funnels, which they are the masters of, and the email follow-ups come in. Everything that they will promote after this, once you've gotten somebody to opt in or to purchase the first low ticket offer, like a book, like a $9 book, that referral will be yours forever. And anytime they decide to purchase Clickfunnels or any product inside Clickfunnels, that will be your commission. Now, another change that has been made recently with the new affiliate program is that you only receive 20% out of the affiliate badge. So you might have seen this badge before, and this is a little badge that shows on the bottom of the funnels by default. You can activate or deactivate it. In the new program, you will only receive 20% commissions out of the people who subscribe through this affiliate badge, not the 40% anymore. Alright, so what products can you promote? As an affiliate to the Clickfunnels products, you shouldn't be promoting Clickfunnels. I mean, Clickfunnels themselves don't promote Clickfunnels. They promote all the front-end offers, and their users will become Clickfunnels users in the future. So what can you promote? You can promote books, starting with .com Secrets, Expert Secrets, and Traffic Secrets. Each of these books and every Clickfunnels offers goes into a funnel, and you will be paid commissions for the whole funnel. So as you can see, just in the Expert Secrets book, you can get paid $1 for the book, and then you will get paid $14.80 for the audiobook, and then $38. So if the person purchases everything in this funnel, your earnings from this promotion can go up to $264 straight away. If you want to check all of these commissions and all of this, I will leave a link to this blog post that I wrote in the description below. So just make sure to check it out and you'll take your time with it. Now, what else can you promote? You can promote trainings, affiliate bootcamp. It's a free training and it's one of the best affiliate trainings I've ever seen. 15 of Clickfunnels top affiliates are telling you the plans they used or they would use if they were to start promoting ClickFunnels all over again in 100 days, and if they had to make full-time earnings with this program. You will also find a link to the ClickFunnels affiliate bootcamp in the description below. If you want to check it out, it's free and it's an amazing value. It teaches you more than you could ever imagine. Now, after the bootcamp, you have the One Funnel Away Challenge. The One Funnel Away Challenge is probably the most promoted ClickFunnels product, both by ClickFunnels and by their affiliates. It pays 100% commissions, which is $100, and it's one of the best trainings in funnel building in the industry. It shows you how to build products, how to create your own products, how to put them in a funnel, how to create offers for the funnel. It's amazing. Then you have the Secrets Masterclass. This is a recent webinar that Russell Brunson has done. It starts by promoting the book trilogy, so it offers a pack with the 3 books and a few more offers in the back end. Make sure to check out my post again for more details. What do we have afterwards? We have Funnel Flicks. Funnel Flicks is a different opportunity. Most people are not promoting Funnel Flicks because it's a new and it's a bonus offer for ClickFunnels users with lots of trainings inside. You could try to promote Funnel Flicks as a different approach to the ClickFunnels affiliate program. Then we have software. Software, starting with Funnel Scripts. This is amazing. It writes sales copy for you. You can promote ClickFunnels itself by sharing funnels and things like this. It's not easy because ClickFunnels has a learning curve, and most people who are starting out are not willing to pay $97 or $297 just to start using a software that they don't understand yet, or they don't know how to leverage it. It's always better to start with the training, with the learning how to use it, and then they will become ClickFunnels users. You have webinars, Funnel Builder Secrets, which has the secret funnel strategy. That's one of the approaches to the webinar. There's the Lady Boss webinar. These are amazing webinars that teach you a lot about how ClickFunnels can be leveraged in a business, and that will promote a pack of ClickFunnels and trainings at the end with high value, high ticket offer. All right, so what are your rewards? Like I talked about before, you have your dream car with 100 qualified active users and your commissions, 40%, active subscriptions, and everything that the users or your referrals buy from ClickFunnels. And as you may know, there's a lot of products. You've seen most of them here in this video. So how can you join ClickFunnels affiliate program? All you have to do is go to this website, which is basically just write whatsyourdreamcar.com, and you will land on this page. Just fill out this form and create your account. You don't have to be a ClickFunnels user to promote it. You can promote it as a user, or you can promote it as a non-ClickFunnels user. Obviously, I highly advise that you become a user before you start promoting it, because how can you promote something you don't know? So if you want to apply to the ClickFunnels affiliate product, if you already have a ClickFunnels account, or if you don't and you still want to, just go to this domain here, whatsyourdreamcar.com, and apply to the program. If you don't have a ClickFunnels account and you want to start using ClickFunnels and start promoting it simultaneously, you can find a link below to create a 14-day trial. In 14 days, if you go all in, you can learn a lot about it, and you can start promoting it, start earning some income. And that's it. That's my quick overview of the ClickFunnels affiliate program. I'm not teaching you here how to promote it, as you know. It's just an overview for you to understand how the program works. Make sure to subscribe to this channel if you want to learn how to earn from the content you are already creating, or if you want to see any more ClickFunnels tutorials or videos. If you want a tutorial or a video that I don't have created yet, make sure to leave a comment below and tell me what you would like to know. Thank you very much for watching this video, and see you on the next one.